Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Okay, student, look. Today our topic is 10.4 exercise, word problem 3 and 4. Okay, which is taken from your book, page number 126. Now our lesson number is 18, HW number 9. Student, look. Let us see the word problem number 3. Hassan bought 1.5 kg of meat for his family. After that, they add some of them. 895 gram remains. That means they add some meat. After they are eating, 895 grams meat is remaining. Now question, how much meat did they eat? Okay? Okay, right. Hassan bought 1.5 kg meat. Now we have to convert this kilogram to gram. We have to convert now kilogram to gram. So you have to multiply by 1000. Okay? Because we know 1000 gram make 1 kilogram. Okay? Now we have to convert here greater unit to smaller unit. Okay? So we need multiply. Look, 1.5 into 1000. This is gram. Right here, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Okay? Gram short form is G. Kilogram short form is kg. Now, for point we have to write like this way. For point we write here 1, for 50 and 1000. Or you can multiply also. Vanish then 100. Now multiply 100 to 15, then we get 1500. Okay, that means 1.5 kg equal to 1500 gram. Okay. Student, why I have convert kilogram to gram? Because you see, after they add 895 gram remains. 895 gram remains. That means this is in gram and this is kilogram. So you have to convert kilogram to gram. Why? Because in this case we can subtract or calculate easily. Okay? Now write, Hassan bought meat of 1500 gram. 895 grams remaining. Okay, right. After eating. Now, because how much meat did they eat? After eating, they have meat. How much weight? 895 gram. Student, look here. After eating, they have meat 895 gram. Okay, but our question is what? How much meat did they eat? Okay, that's right. They eat meat of how much? Subtract now. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. You have 1 in your hand, 9, 10, then 0, 8 plus 1, 9, 15 minus 9 equal to 6, right here, 6. And you have 1 in your hand, 1, add with here, so there is no number, so you have to consider 1, 0, 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Now 1 minus 1 equal to what? 0. So no need to write here 0. Therefore they eat meat of 605 gram. Now the first step has finished. Now the second step, express the kg, express the amount in kg and gram. Already we have got gram. So you have to convert this gram into kilogram. Okay, right? Again, we know 1000 gram equal to what? 1 kilogram. Okay? Therefore, 600 gram equal to what? 605 gram equal to what? 605 by 1000. Okay, divide now. You see here how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have to put the point after 3 digits from right to left. Like at first 6, 0, 5, then 1, 2, 3. Put here the decimal point and 0. Okay, student. Now write the answer. How much kg? 0.605 kg. And how much gram? 605 gram. Now write 0.605 kg and 605 gram. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 4. Look, student, Shampa drank 340 milliliter of water for breakfast, 380 milliliter for lunch, and 300 milliliter for dinner. How much water did she drink in total? Express in milliliter, deciliter and liter. Okay? Right. Shampa drank for breakfast 340 milliliter of water. For breakfast, 340 milliliter of water. For lunch, 380 milliliter of water. And for dinner, 300 milliliter of water. Student, look, Shamba drank for breakfast 340 milliliter of water, for lunch 380 milliliter of water, and for dinner 300 milliliter of water. Okay, now write in total adding 0, 8 plus 4, 12, you have 1 in your hand, 3 is a 9 plus 1, 10 milliliter of water. That means 1020 milliliter of water she drank in total. Okay, but our question is what? Expressed in milliliter, deciliter and liter. Student, ml means milliliter, dl means deciliter and L means liter. Okay, already we have got 1020 milliliter of water. That means one is done. Then we have to convert it in deciliter. Okay, right? We know it. 1000 milliliter. 100 milliliter equal to 1 deciliter. Okay, student, we know it. 100 milliliter equal to 1 deciliter. Therefore, 1020 milliliter equal to what? 1020 by 100 deciliter. Okay, now convert this. Look, 1, 2 zeros. So we have to divide 1020 by 100. How can write here 1020 deciliter? That means 1, 2. That means put here the point after 2 digits from right to left. 1, 2. Okay, student. That means we got here 10.20 deciliter, or this can be written 10 decimal 2 deciliter. Okay, by default 0.2 means 20 deciliter. Okay, 0.2 deciliter. 0.2 means what? By default 20 deciliter. Now we have to convert milliliter to liter. Again, right here. Again, we know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Okay, 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Therefore, 1020 milliliter equal to 1020 by 1000. Look here. You see how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3. That means write 1, 0, 2, 0. That means after 3 digits you have to put the point 1, 2, 3. Okay, student. This equal to what? 1.02 liter. Okay, 1.02 liter. Now, according to the question, you have to write the answer. Write the answer. One thousand 1020 milliliter, then 10.2 deciliter, 1.02 liter. (1020 milliliter, 10.2 deciliter and 1.02 liter. Student, this type of math is so much confusing, so I will repeat again for your understanding. Okay student, look, suppose question number 3. Hassan bought 1.5 kg of meat for his family. After that they add some of them. 895 gram remains. You see the question. The question is told you in conversely. Okay. Now how much meat did they eat? Okay. Expressed in kg and gram. Then I have solved like this way. Hassan bought 1.5 kg of meat. That means 1.5 we have to convert kilogram to gram. Okay. Why? Because I want to subtract from 1.5 kg. That means 1500 gram to 895 gram. Okay. But now look, 1.5 for point I have written 1 for 50 into 1000 divide 1000 by 10, then we get 100. Okay. Then we get 100. 15 into 100 equal to 1500 gram. Now Hassan bought meat of 1500 gram, and after eating they have meat. That means remaining meat 895 gram. Now subtract 10 minus 5, 5. You have 1 in your hand, 9, 10. 10 minus 10 equal to 0. That you have 1 in your hand, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 8, 9. 15 minus 9 equal to 6. And you have 1 in your hand, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Because you have 1 in your hand. So adding with 0, 0 plus 1 means 0. So 0 plus 1 means 1. Now subtract 1 from 1, that means 0. No need to write here 0. You know this subtraction. Now again we know 1000 gram equal to 1 kg. Therefore 605 gram equal to what? 605 by 1000 kilogram. That means you see 1, 2, 3, 0. There is 3 0. So you have to put the point after 3 digit. Look, I have written 605, then 1, 2, 3 and put the point. Okay student? And according to the question I have written the answer 0.605 kg and 605 gram. Okay? Now question number 4. Student, many times I have seen in your exam that many students they are also adding 102. When they adding, they have written 102, not write here 0. Okay, but that means they memorize the math. Okay, student, at first you adding this, then you get what? 1020 milliliter of water. Okay, but when you convert milliliter to deciliter or deciliter to liter, that is in another case. Okay, look, in total we have got 1020 milliliter of water. Now according to the question we have to convert this into deciliter and also liter. Already we have got 1020 milliliter. Now look, 100 milliliter equal to 1 deciliter we know. Therefore 1020 milliliter equal to what? 1020 by 100 deciliter. You see 1020, that means after 20 you have to put the point 1, 2. That means 1 to 10.20. We can write 10.2. Okay. In this line also you may mistake, so be careful here. Okay, look, 10.05 and 10.50, not same. Okay, this is only 10.05. That means 10 taka 5 paisa. But this is 10, suppose 10.50 paisa. This is 10 taka 50 paisa. This is called 10 taka 50 paisa. Okay. Now we know 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. Therefore 1020 milliliter equal to 1020 by 1000 divide, then we get 1.020. You see, after 3 digit you have to put the point 1, 2, 3. That means we got 1.02. But I have written here this 0 in here. Okay. Look student, 1, 2, 3. That means at first write 1020. Then count 1, 2, 3. That means put the point after 3 digit. 1, 2, 3. Then I have put the point. Now 1.02 liter. Okay. As the which you can write here also 0. Okay. But no need to necessary. No need. Now I will talk about you with your SW. Look. SW long 9. 10.4 exercise 1, page 126, page 126, word problem Nong 2. Okay, and I have written the answer also, 216.2 centimeter and 2.162 meter. Okay, you try to solve yourself. Student, you have to submit this SW copy on every Saturday, and you will back this SW copy on this next Saturday. Dear student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.